हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम फिर से हाजिर हैं एक नए क्वेश्चन के साथ। दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 7.2। लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 किया था। द टू गर्ल्स आर होस्टिंग द फ्लैट। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द रेशियो इन विच द लाइन सेगमेंट joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6। यानी कि हमें वो रेशियो निकालना है जिसके द्वारा ये लाइन को ज्वाइन करने वाले दो पॉइंट को डिवाइड किया गया है और जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट है -1 और 6। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम सपोज करते हैं कि ये हमारे पास लाइन है। दिस इज पॉइंट ए एंड वी हैव अनदर पॉइंट बी। इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज -3, 10। इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज 6, -8। Suppose there is a point P here, which coordinate is given -1, 6. We have to find the ratio in which P divides AB. So let P divides AB in K ratio 1. This is K and this is 1 here. Now we assume first of all let Px1 be the point which divide the line segment joining -3, 10 and 6, -8. Here the coordinate of P is here -1 and 6, which is given so let P -1, 6 be the point which divide the line joining the -3, 10 and 6, -8 in K ratio 1. Here, this point divides the line AB in K ratio 1. We have to find the K. So by using section formula, because we have ratios are also by using section formula, coordinates of that point is given. We can easily find the ratio using section formula. You find the coordinate of point P, that is -1, equal to K multiplied with this 6K plus 1 into -3 upon K plus 1. Because with the help of these ratio we find its x coordinate, and x coordinate is given -1. Now by multiplying cross we get -K -1 equal to 6K -3 -K -6K equal to -3 plus 1 -7K equal to -2 -A cancel out. Here we find K equal to 2 upon 7. In initial we assume it divides the line in K ratio 1. It means the line divided in 2 ratio 7. So point P divides this whole line in 2 ratio 7. This is 2 and this is 7. In this way, with the help of section formula, we find the ratio of that point which divides the line joining two points. This is all about question number 4. In next class, we will meet with the next question, that is question number 5. Thank you.